And it was a little bit, it was really messy. It was real messy. So I wanted to come back and try to redeem myself a little bit and get a quick little Valentine's look up. It's very simple, warm toned, but not your standard red lip and pinks and, okay, I used reds and pinks. Not like, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, I make no sense sometimes. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Also, shout out to my Walmart nails. You guys, I'm not a fancy girl. $5 Walmart nails make me real happy. And it's not that I can't afford them, it's just like, duh, like it's $5 versus $30 every 2 weeks. Before you get into the video, please make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on anything, and hit that little bell so you don't miss out on anything. What is wrong with me today? That way you get notified when I post. There we go. I really appreciate it. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Without any further ado, let's get into it. In my last video, I feel like I didn't do my brows justice, so I'm gonna do my brows quickly. I skimped out on the Anastasia dip brow step because this is what really has like been a game changer. I use the Artistry brow pencil. It is a lot like the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz, except it's like a fourth of the price. Okay, but one step that I've been doing is adding the Anastasia dip brow, and with the pencil. I got the pencil too, and it has just been a game changer. As I showed in my last video, I start out with the Artistry pencil just to kind of fill in any necessary gaps. I have had the microblading done on my brows, so I really don't have to fill in my brows, but we extra, so we do it. So this step, adding in the brow wiz, the brow wiz just helps fill in the gaps and stuff. I noticed in my last video, holy gaps, because I had my studio light on and I just skipped that step because I was in a rush. So I explained how I have to overfill this eye because I got Botox done and it kind of drooped this eye a little bit more than this one. So I have to overfill this one and underfill this one to kind of give the illusion of evenness, which I'm sure there's still not, but whatever. Now the eye look. So I already have a primer down. I just use my foundation or concealer. I will go down with a flesh tone to soak up any oils. And the color we're gonna be playing with today is this red one, because this is gonna be a Valentine's look. The red scared me at first, you know, but one day I just decided to play with the red and like figure it out. And it ended up being really, really pretty. So I posted it a couple of times like on Snapchat and different places like that, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on it, so I decided to film it for you today. So I'm going to go in with this brown color first, just to kind of place it into the crease to help everything blend out more seamlessly. By laying this down first, helps everything that you put on top of it lay down more smoother instead of trying to go back in later with this color to blend it out, if that makes sense. So if you have this down first, it just kind of gives that baseline protection. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Defiant crease brush from Makeup Geek, and I'm gonna dip into that red color I showed you. And you just kind of basically draw out that corner and then blend it in. So this is gonna be the secondary baseline color. That's gonna make the look feel warm, Valentine's-y. The red is an intimidating color, but we're gonna lay down browns on top of it to kind of pull it all in and make it not so dramatic and red. And then I'm just going in and then blend this step before I do anything else. Okay, and then I go in with a brown, and then I'll go in with this deeper brown. By doing the layers, by going lightest to darkest, it just adds dimension, also gives it a little bit more of a natural feel, meaning it takes away some of that red. Then I'm going back in and blend that out, and I'm also going to take that color that we put down in the beginning into the crease, just kind of help with the blending. And then I'm going to go in with that darker brown that I showed you, the darkest brown, and then pop that in the corner here. You just want to keep it tighter than you did the other brown. And blend. I just take a flat brush with concealer and just clean up that edge. And you can also do that with your brows if you ever need to, which you probably should, but. Then I'm gonna go in with this flat brush from Morphe. In my other video, I used a brush from Eco Tools, and I feel like that brush just like soaked up way too much of the product and took away a lot. So going back to my tried and true, Morphe and Makeup Geek brushes are like my favorite. You will see a lot of girls use concealer to do a cut crease. This is kind of a similar thing, a similar style, I guess, just a lot less complicated. And if you take away too much of the brown, you can always just grab your brush and add it back in. I don't add in any more product. I just kind of drag what's already there and what's already on the brush. Kind of do so that way. Just kind of blend the two together in the middle there. And if you ever need to, you can always add a color in the middle to kind of help transition the two as well. And if you are new here, I do have eyelash extensions. I go to Courtney Warden. She's with Lash Essential. They have a lot of other girls that do lashes as well, and they also teach. So if you are a esthetician and do lashes or are looking into it, they teach and they travel, and they are amazing. And their Instagram, I'll pop it in. They give a lot of helpful tips on their Instagram as well. Then I'm gonna go in with this Makeup Geek pointed crease brush and just add some white under the brow here, keeping the look very matte. We are almost done. And then I'm just gonna take this pointed or pencil brush from Makeup Geek. I'm gonna take the red that we used in the beginning, pop that underneath, and then the dark brown, a little bit more concentrated in the corner. For mascara, I just use a basic e.l.f. mascara. I don't go ham on my mascara where I do have lash extensions. I always wear mascara on my lower lash line though, because it just adds so much to an eye look. I'm gonna let that dry and then I'll clean up anything that I may have done. Okay, you can end the look here, or if you want this to be glittery, you can go in with this color. It's like a shimmery, and I just use my finger. Like I said, I filmed this yesterday and I was laughing because I literally used that same eyeshadow in the video that I did last year, my makeup video, or my Valentine's Day video that I did last year. I guess it's a favorite. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the lip really quick though. I've been using Nicole Cosmetics. I did a whole video on the swatches of the line that I bought that I purchased with my own money. It is not a sponsored video, but I will link that in here if you are interested in viewing that. When I was doing the swatch for this video, I mentioned that this color was really warm and red. Had a red tone, I guess I should say. So when I was playing with this lip or this eye color with the red in this palette, I knew exactly what lip color I wanted to use. Angel by Nicole Cosmetics. And that is the look, guys. Lips, eyes. Thanks for watching, guys, and taking the time to hop on over on my YouTube and hang out with me for a little bit. I really appreciate you guys and love you, and you guys are my friends. All the links to my social media in the description below. Subscribe, pop them thumbs up, and until next time, bye, guys. Yo, I am struggling with this Lock It foundation. Like, it just doesn't want to play nice with any of the products. Like, it wants to be a spoiled little brat and just wants to be alone, no friends. It doesn't get along with anything. Like, anything that I lay down on top of it just doesn't work. Like, I just, focus. Allow. Okay, there we go. I just ruined my makeup look by putting on this bronzer, but like, I have to bronze. Hello.